Okay, I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I've got a couple special things here today, and I'll do this in two parts. But in order to bring you guys the songs that we have to get them somewhere. I'm always expanding my collection. I go on eBay, and yes, and then Oliver gets involved in it. And a surprise, we've got Jimi Hendrix, original, 45, All Along the Watchtower. Now they told me that this was a VG, which is very good plus. So we shouldn't have any scratches, and this should make an excellent song. And like I said, I'm always upgrading my record collection. That's it.